Hey everyone, so if you're tired of repair tools that can't handle precision or basically die mid-job, or you're fixing a smartphone or crafting your next DIY masterpiece, this right here is the Fanttik Nex E2 Ultra, okay? So it's basically a game-changing tool. It's a precision electric screwdriver and also a pro rotary tool that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So I've been a user of Fanttik products, and this is probably their upgraded version of the electric screwdriver. And so this isn't your average electric screwdriver. So essentially how it works is that you press it down and then you've got this beauty right here. So this right here is the actual screwdriver, and this is the housing kit that it houses inside. So it's got like a 0.6 torque and a 270 RPM motor, and it handles basically tiny screws without stripping them. So if you can see here, you basically press the button in order to have it screw on and off. This right here is the charging cable. And as far as the housing kit goes with all the screws, this is what it looks like, okay? So you have all these types of screws, precision screws that you can actually use to screw in. So there's a lot of different screws, and it's got an 800 milliamp battery that lasts twice as long as the older model of this screwdriver. It's also got the Type-C charging that you see right over here. And as you can see, one of the best things about it is the rotary storage case. It's sleek, it's very satisfying to open, and it also keeps every bit clean, secure, and organized. So the screwdriver itself has like 5 different speed settings, up 5,000 to 25,000 RPMs, and you also get the flexibility to switch between delicate tasks and heavy-duty work. It's also got a magnetic motor, which is smooth and powerful, and it's not very loud. And in addition to that, it comes with the hub. So the hub that I mentioned before is basically this piece here, where if you press it down, the hub comes out, and this is what it looks like when it's standing up, okay? So all these different screwdrivers serve some sort of purpose, and then the housing kit that you see right here is just used to kind of make sure that all the screw bits don't get lost in translation. But if you want to go ahead and return it back to its original position, you just press it down and press it back in. So this right here is basically perfect for repairs or crafting. It's precise, it's powerful, and it's convenient. And it basically upgrades a lot of workflows. So if you're interested in like very specific or tiny electronics, or basically need more power for electronics, tiny electronics, then definitely check out this Nex E2 Ultra screwdriver.